guys, welcome back to the channel. PK Darren here. I know it's been a while. I'm back again. Happy Easter to everyone. Hope you guys are having a nice blessed day today. So anyway, let's get into the video. So the first part of the video, I know a lot of you guys are probably like, why I haven't been posting content? I've actually been busy with work, so I've tried to work around my schedule. I've just been constantly busy, so I haven't really had time to actually like upload anything or go to any meets. So I'm gonna try and like go to more meets and everything. Plus a lot of meets, it has been kind of crazy because there has been a lot of things going on at car meets that I've been seeing. The cops are cracking down more over here in Arizona, and they're cracking down on meets. Also on top of that, they literally have a whole task force called the Street Racing Task Force. They literally have a whole task force based on street racing. But it's kind of weird because you can even be in a car show, like you're not even racing, and no, automatically it's just a task force for car meets, car shows, racing, bike shows, bike racing. It's all together as one. So it's just kind of weird the fact that they put all of us in the same category. Another thing is, I don't know if you guys heard, but lane filtering, they've been trying to get that passed, and I'm not too entirely sure on if it's passed or not, but I've seen somewhere where actually they said a post on Facebook where someone said that it really be legal until like August, September. And then you also got to follow rules, so cars has to be perfectly stopped, has to be, you know, you have to have two lanes in the same direction. Speed limit has to be 45 miles per hour, and you only can do up to 15 miles per hour while you're lane filtering. So those are like the rules you have to follow. Also, I'm also gonna do a video of how I've been, how I feel about my 300 and can it do highway. I know you see a lot of videos, but me, since I have to travel 40 minutes to get to work every day and 40 minutes back depending on traffic, then on top of that I have to practically, you know, do 65, but everyone does like 70 and 80 now, so I'm practically doing 80 on a freeway. I can kind of get a whiff and tell like how good the 300 really is on a highway and what's the pros and cons. So I may just do that, and then we'll just take it from there. Probably go to a couple meets, couple bike shows. I have a couple videos that I still need to upload. I don't know why I haven't been uploading them. It's when I first went to my first bike week. I haven't uploaded. I have to upload it, and then on top of that I have group rides that I went on with people that I still haven't uploaded. I'm also thinking about maybe doing one where I'm doing illegal things, or when I'm just like not have a care in the world. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. This is just a video of me showing, like, telling you guys where I've been. I should do a couple shorts because I have a couple reactions. A lot of people, I haven't been uploading it. They said I should, but I sometimes will dress up as Spider-Man and just go around getting people's reactions. I have one where I went into McDonald's and people were just reacting from there. I need to get a 360 cam too, because that'll probably look better. But other than this, guys, this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a blessed day. Happy Easter again. Stay tuned and see you next time.